Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and selecting the exact folder you want to reset, Mail, Calendar, or another folder. Once selected, go straight to the View tab on the ribbon and scan the current layout so you know what changed. If you rely on custom views, make a quick note or export settings before proceeding, because the next actions will overwrite them. Now, focus on the view controls. This is where you'll perform the reset. You now click Reset View to return the selected folder to Outlook's default layout. This targets the current folder only. Once done, use Change View to confirm compact, single, or preview mode. Choose the one matching your workflow. Next, open View Settings to inspect columns, sort, grouping, and conditional formatting. Adjust here if defaults need small tweaks. Make incremental changes and preview them so you understand why an item moved or a column changed. This avoids accidental layout drift. You finish by deciding whether to apply the restored view broadly. Use Apply View to other folders or create a new view and set it as default for similar folders. Once applied, restart Outlook to ensure the settings persist across sessions and cached views refresh. If the Reset View option doesn't work or views keep misbehaving, run Outlook. exe/clean views from Run or a command prompt to remove corrupted custom views. This is the key troubleshooting step that usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.